Hi guys, today we'll show you what's underneath the plastic trim panels in Volvo XC40. As you can see, we removed pretty much all of them, and I will just quickly show you what's underneath. First of all, we have the drainage hose right here on this side. We've got the seat belt tensioner right here. We have the speaker, a couple of bolts here that hold it in place, and this is how you can access it in case if you need to replace it. We've got all our main wiring going over there. We've got some sound deadening here, including a couple of elements right here. This is a connector for the 12-volt socket. Right here we have connector for the interior light, and also here we have some connectors for the towing control unit in case if you want to install the towing hitch and the wiring. And here we have the grounding bolt. Also we have connectors for our rear lighting right here. This is how they look, and right here we have the vent. So in short, this is how it all looks. I'll leave the video where we show you how to remove all these panels, and yeah, check them out. Thank you guys for watching.